What's up, drone pilot, and welcome back. If you are new here, I am Captain Neil J, and I came here today to fly my DJI Avata 2 in a manual mode in the park. This is a new place for me. I've never flown the drone here before, but the whole purpose that I am flying today is to fine-tune my rates. So I'm trying to get to where I can be flying acro, freestyle, fast maneuvers, at the same time, to be precise, to do cinematic views. I'm not really yet very comfortable with my rate, so I'm going to be flying slower than I'm used to. There is also a playground, no kids over there. I'm going to try to fly it. I've never flown around the playground or through it. I've seen a lot of people do that, but I've never did this. So I'm playing around with I've been playing around with my rates, and this is the rate that I get to. Let me go ahead and show you the rates I'm working with right now. So those are the final rates, my rolls, pitch and yaw. They start about 200 and about 700 the maximum. With the Expo I increase more on the roll than the pitch and lower on the yaw. You can copy them and try them if you like to, and please give me feedback and tell me how it feels. Hopefully it will work for you. It's working for me right now. Welcome aboard. Start recording. Manual mode, 20 degrees on the angle. Engine starts. Let's go. So these new rates, they're much faster than I'm used to, of course, and I'm trying to get the two words of those rates, the FPV Freestyle stuff and at the same time, if I want to do cinematic kind of flying under the trees. I choose to go 20 degrees on the angle today because this is a new park that I've never flown here before, and the trees are very close to each other, so I need some time to get used to it, maybe. I wanted to go play a little bit close to the playground, but I'm not gonna be able to because I saw some kids over there. There is another playground, they might not have kids, we will find out. It's really very low tree. Nice. So like I was saying earlier, now since I have higher rates, I can do some maneuvers up here, and they're much faster. And I also can do cinematic stuff if I need to. Here's the other playground I was telling you about. Let's make sure no one is here. Okay, no kids here or anything like that. We're clear. kind of windy, that's why when I'm facing the wind it's going really slow. Can we hit a gap or something here? Okay, there is a gap right here. But the wind is making it harder, but not impossible. Whoa! I slammed the ground a little. Nice. Okay. That was nice over there. The other playground is more fun and looks more fun, but I'm not going to be able to. I believe there is some kids over there. My spotter is telling me so. We'll check in a little bit because I think I hear them. I don't hear them anymore. We will see. We're flying between trees for now. Trees, trees, trees. That's the most fun. Let's do a split us here. I think the kids left. Don't hit the tree. Nice. Cool. Yeah, I'm getting used to these traits. They're really cool. I like them because it gives me both worlds of flying. If I want it to be more aggressive, I can, and if I want to take it more easy, I can as well. Woo! Look at that. Okay. Woo! I slammed that tree. Did you see that? Okay, let's try again. Let's do some tree serving without hitting trees. So you see, I can go cinematic still and fly between trees at the same time. I can get up here and do some maneuvers, of course. Transition trees. All right, bringing it back. Well, as you saw, I still can fly between trees and I can fly high, can do maneuvers those rates are really much better than what I had before. I do need some time to get used to them, so I can fly maybe higher, like 30 degrees. I can do 30 degrees, but not in a small area here and new to me. So with time, I'm pretty sure it will come. But meanwhile, I hope you enjoy the video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, please leave it down below in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.